How to make a phone call and video call on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on phone app. Now here's a click on keyboard and type number. Sorry. After type number, so if you want to make a phone call, so click on this icon. You will see phone call is, so if you want to make a video call, so again click on this option and click on video. So you will see take video call from here. So refresh phone. So there is another way of make a video call. So click on phone app, click on contacts, scroll down and click on contacts. And if you want to video call, so click on video call. So if you want to take a voice call, so click on voice call. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can make a phone call and video call on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.